So I'm going to be finding the area of this shape. So when you take, this would be the area of the square. We're going to find the area of the square first. Actually, this was not parted off when it started out. You had to part this and make these two different shapes. So the area of this polygon right here would be area equals base times height. That would be your, and area equals 9.5. And then that would be area equals 9 times 5. And that would be area equals 45 units squared. And moving on to this polygon right here. Area equals half height, parentheses, base 1 plus base 2. Area equals half times 5 equals 2.5, and parentheses 6 plus 3. And the area then would equal 2 times 5 times 4. And that would 2.5 times 4. And that would equal 22.5. So when you add them together, so that'd be area equals 45 plus 22.5, you would get the sum of area equals 67.5 units. And my math practice was I used what I know about finding the area of polygons, and that would be thinking like a mathematician, number 3.
Okay, Brandon, how were you able to determine the base value and the height value on those shapes? I mean, I noticed that it does not come out and say like the base is 9 or the height is 5 for the rectangle. So I mean, how were you able to figure that out?
You had to look at the units, and you had to see how many going up there was, and that would equal the height. And see how many to the side there was, and that would equal the length.
Okay. I wish you had broken it down and said like the absolute value, because we are going from one quadrant to another on that coordinate plane. That you could have said something like the absolute value of 2 plus the absolute value of -3 would be 5. And then to find the base, you could say the absolute value of -6 plus the absolute value of 3 would give you 9. So I wish you'd done more explaining that, because it's important for kids to figure out how to find these dimensions. What grade does that board deserve, children? I'm going to say 90, because you needed to explain better how you got your basic values and your height values.